have invested, mega invested, overly invested, and it has been a good return because you don't have to compete and complete what society is expecting. I was moving laterally within the system of the society because I was gaining so much experience and knowledge that it is impossible. There is no certification on this world that can give you the knowledge that you're doing with your own data center, your own books that you're doing research and development, your own validation with your own um, clients, that you building end-to-end systems, services, and complete validation. That I have every service that I have done and system, I have built it end to end.